In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add emoticons in Notion. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about adding emoticons in Notion, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get right into it. Method 1. Adding emojis. The easiest way to add an emoji in Notion is to click on the plus button or type /emoji. This brings up an emoji menu where you can select and add emojis directly to your page. Method 2. Using keyboard shortcuts. On Windows, you can press the Windows key and the semicolon to access the Windows emoji menu. Here, you can choose emojis, like selecting an avocado emoji by clicking on it. Method 3. Using emoji websites. Visit websites like getemoji.com where you can find a wide range of emojis. Copy your preferred emoji, Ctrl+C, then paste it, Ctrl+V, onto your Notion page, allowing you to access a broader selection of emojis. Method 4. Adding icons. At the top of your Notion page, select Add Icon. Not only can you choose from a variety of smileys, but you can also select icons. For instance, you can pick an icon and customize its color by holding down the mouse button, enabling you to add personalized icons to your page. Additionally, you can even add custom icons to your Notion page. For more detailed guidance and additional tutorials, visit MediaMagnetGuide.com. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content.